First, make sure your dartboard is unplugged. Next, remove the light bulb. Then, using a 3/32 Allen wrench, proceed to remove the 2 screws securing the light housing to the cabinet. From here, slide the housing back slightly, allowing it to come forward and out of the cabinet. Gently pull the housing all the way out to access the plugs. When unplugging the harness and ground, be sure not to let the wires fall back into the cabinet. Plug in the harness into the new housing along with the ground. Installation is the reverse of the removal process. Gently slide the housing back into the cabinet. From the outside, align the screw holes with the cabinet holes and re-secure the 2 screws into the housing. Then, reinstall your light bulb and power on your dartboard.